Alright, welcome to the Haven. So here we are. Currently I have I have several printers, but one that would run and print as needed. But I definitely, with this guy, completely unfunctional at this point. Motherboard shot, Zone Star's pain in the neck. So it's going to be a parts printer until I can buy the rest of the parts to make an actual printer of my own. So, back to the two trees where we ran into this problem of bad motor. I've talked to my representative at the brewer store, and let's just say it should be okay. I probably will have another motor in the mail, but until then, I can use some parts off of the old Zone Star here. At least I hope I can. That's where I'm going with this. The Zone Star does have the low profile motors on it for the extruder. That's exactly what I would assume this other one is. And it's using the clone Titan extruders. So what I'm going to do, I've got it unplugged. We're just going to borrow us one of these. Providing. I can't remember. I've had these off before, but it's been a while. Once I get angry with a printer, I leave it alone for a bit because it's only going to get worse. Once you're frustrated, it's only going to get worse. And this Zone Star, don't buy one, all I can tell you. It's been nothing but a headache. Every printer's going to give you problems. See that? Just choose filament. Shouldn't do that, but it do. Now, I mean, common sense says what we're going to do here is turn this bad boy on, break all the rules. Jeez. Four printers are on. I never know where the power button is. It does have the long shaft, by the way. So what I'll have to do is swap all these here, most likely, but I don't think so because my printer ran with that other extruder, and these are both the same as Titan and the clone Titan. Same general. So I got everything separated here. We're gonna heat up the nozzle because the extruder motor won't turn if the nozzle is cold. So as you see, I have everything laid out, so nothing's gonna get burnt. This isn't wise, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I think it's got to be just over 190. I don't remember, but we're going to put it at 190 because it should extrude at that point. Luckily, this Two Trees Brewer Plus, its PID function is awesome. I've never even had to adjust it. It suggested at one point that maybe, but no, it was the hot end itself. I don't know. Ain't a lot to tell, really. See if it does anything now. Here's the motor that does not work, according to me. It says it's got a heat still. As soon as I got time to, that's on, that's on. We should be, alright. Maybe this video thing's actually working, I don't know. Alright, here we go. They're holding this vibrating sun gun. Nope, it's not doing anything. It's not good at all. Oh, I don't know why. We turn that off because I got to plug in the DL Touch too. Hopefully this thing doesn't have to move around. Oh yeah, never plug anything in or out while the machine's on. I mean, it's just not wise. This isn't wise either, but I'm playing right below a very hot end. But if it falls off of that thing, it's most likely going to hit my hand and hurt. Now, I hope that it doesn't have to go all the way through the auto leveling thing. I don't think it does, just to extrude. Or maybe. So here we go again, folks. I'm going to do red air, so it might let me extrude. If this goes red, then it's a no-go. We're at 190 again. We're at 130. If you're a newbie out there and you're just curious as to this, that, and the other thing, yada, 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 whatever. These things are not fragile electronics. They are electronics. They're darn snot. They don't know shit other than back, forth, up, and down. And volumetrically, how much filament to spit out. Alright, thermistor's working because it's cooling itself down. We should be able to at this point, I hope. Again, hold on to this thing. Nothing. Maybe it's shot. I don't know. What we're going to do is turn it back off. Plug in the other one. It should be moving at this point. Unless it's the wrong motor. What is that? Alright, so again, off. Always a pain in the neck. I'm hoping that it just, it used to make the grinding noise. Hoping that it's just shot now. Or if this one don't turn it all in, I know that the printer is just not working because something's not going right. Because they have sensors and such, they know what's up. Putting this extruder back together is going to be fun. What to do with junk half the time, eh? Alright, we should be good. Now, 17 to 200, there we go. Oh yeah, she's moving. Alright, so that one works just fine. So we can stop doing that, let that all cool down. This motor, or this thing right here will work. This one is definitely shot now, and I definitely have video of it doesn't do anything. It used to make a grinding noise, it doesn't even do that. So now there's gonna be a couple important things when I do this. When I put this other extruder back together, obviously there's gonna have to be gears where gears meet. So this has to be adjusted slightly. Because this printer extrudes with this gear, I'm gonna leave this gear on there. Because this is actually like what my little bow would use. This is for my big guy. So this is kind of a win because, well, long story short, I'm going to have an extra one of these motors when they send one. Well, it won't be extra because it's going to go back on here. But yeah, again, a lot of nonsense. So let's get this out of the way right away. Yeah, all I really got to do is flip this bad boy over. Now, these, can you see that right now? Probably not. Alright, these set screws, super pain in the neck, folks. Yeah, one. I bet you, yeah, I can't just do that. Alright, so what we have to do is, oh, maybe, I'll do it this way. There. Oh, shouldn't need more than a bearing on there, but we'll see. The gears are different, so we'll see. Again, getting that other one back together is just going to be a treat. I'm going to leave that gear on there so I never mistake these two motors. No, not to mark it or nothing, it's already done. And in the end, the intentions will be is to have both of these two, little go over on far left and blue here in the middle there, both direct drive extrusion and tip top condition. So soft materials is what I'm shooting for. But long story short, we're going to take a short break right now because I can. And check our battery life and all that shit real fast. So it's on. Oh, the screen. Turn that off. I'm trying to get better at this video recording, folks. It's just, anywho, I think we're good. Here's like we got almost 14 minutes of video. 1080, good enough. 1080 and 60 frames. If I try to go any higher, it just doesn't go upload to YouTube anyway, so whatever.